Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're feeling fed up with life, if you're feeling pain inside your mind, inside your heart, if you're feeling frustrated with people, circumstance, if you're feeling insecurities, an abundance of insecurities, loneliness, depression, or perhaps even the joyfulness, peacefulness, love. It doesn't really matter what you're feeling today. We're going to embrace it all like old friends, reminding you that you're not alone with your anxieties. Me and anxiety go way back. Me and anger go way back. That being said, we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can release some negativity, some insecurity, some frustrations, and come back to ourself. Our most essential self that isn't touched by any of this pain, pleasure, desire, fear. Talking about that part of us that just is aware of it all. Getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware. You to start by closing your eyes, noticing how you feel in this moment. Unlike any other moment thus far, observing all of the nuance of how you feel. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Opening your heart, opening your chest, relaxing your belly, dropping the shoulders away from the ears, letting go of fears. Breath in and exhale. Breathing in slowly and softly. And exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling out. Inhaling love and light. And exhaling fear and darkness, feeling it leave the mind, leave the body. To come back to trust. To come back into compassion. Remembering that so many people across the world are in immense suffering. Having an understanding of this make you feel not so alone in your own pain. Coming back into the beauty inside, into the blessings that is already here as you breathe in presence. And exhale, aware that you're exhaling. Relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing your hands and feet. Letting go of any tensions in the belly. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold. And very slowly, very softly exhale, let go. Posture. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day. New opportunities to create, new opportunities to figure it out. New opportunities to forgive, to heal, to take another shot at loving yourself. Truly appreciating yourself. It's a new opportunity to do that. Breathing in. And breathing out. And breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling patience. Exhale, letting go. Any mistakes that have been made recently. The past is past. Coming back into this present moment where everything is okay. Bringing a smile, melting all the tension in the jaw and the face by smiling as you inhale and exhale, let go. Opening your heart. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Color for today is pink. The number is a 50. And the animal is a llama. An alpaca, that's actually the animal I was looking for. Similar to a llama. You can comment what the difference is if you know. I so appreciate you, my friends. Thank you for being present with me in this special way. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. Sending you a big hug across time and space. Wishing you so much love. Despite all of the fears, know that it's possible to actually love your path, to appreciate the gifts that you have. Sometimes we know we have a gift and yet we hide from it, and we do everything else but give that gift its proper attention. Please give your gifts proper attention today. Nourish your gifts, believe in your gifts, and share it with the world. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.